Be ready. Start. The petitioner is in second round of litigation. Stop. The first writ petition bearing number 7961 of 2014 was decided wide order dated 17/7/2014. Stop. The petitioner was directed to approach the non-petitioners by making a representation. Stop. A direction was further given to the respondents to consider and decide the representation by speaking order. Stop. In pursuance to the direction aforesaid, non-petitioners passed an order on 7/10/2014 challenged herein. Stop. By the aforesaid order, claim of the petitioner for grant of 2 advance grade increments has been denied. Stop. Para. Learned Counsel submits that as per notification dated 16/4/1990 at annexed rate, petitioner is entitled for the benefit of 2 advance grade increments. Stop. A reference of subpara 3 of entry number 14 of the schedule 4 of the Rajasthan Civil Services bracket start revised pay scales bracket close rules 1987 has been made to claim those benefits. Stop. It is submitted that petitioner was appointed on the post of stenographer within bracket English without undergoing selection test by the Rajasthan Public Service Commission, as there was no such requirement. Stop. The petitioner was thereupon asked to work as stenographer within bracket Hindi, thus entitled to the benefit of 2 advance grade increments. As a consequence thereof. Stop. The denial of the benefit is in ignorance of subpara 3 referred above. Stop. The petitioner was not required to undergo the test to be conducted by the RPSC because in his case there was no such requirement. Stop. The non-petitioners have failed to consider this aspect while dismissing the representation. Stop. Thus, while setting aside the order dated 7/10/2014, direction may be given to the non-petitioners to extend benefit of 2 advance grade increments in favor of the petitioner. Stop. I have considered the submission made by learned counsel and perused the record. Stop. Para. The petitioner was appointed on the post of stenographer within bracket English wide order dated 17/6/1986. Stop. He thereafter worked as stenographer within bracket Hindi also. Stop. Wide notification dated 16/4/1990 substitution was made in the schedule 4 and existing entry at serial number 14 and Rajasthan Civil Services bracket start revised pay scales bracket close rules 1987 to provide benefit of 2 advance grade increments in favor of those who fall in the criteria given therein. Stop. For ready reference, subpara 3 of Rule 14 of the Rajasthan Civil Services bracket start revised pay scales bracket close rules 1987 notified on 16/4/1990 at annexure 8 is quoted hereunder. Stop. Persons holding the post of stenographer oblique personal assistant oblique senior personal assistant oblique private secretary as on 1/4/1987. Stop. Para. Contempt of the order dated 3/2/2014 is alleged in this petition. Stop. Thereunder, the court had directed as under. Stop. Para. Having regard to the grievance of the petitioner, respondent number 1, the Transport Commissioner and Additional Chief Secretary, Transport Department, Government of Rajasthan, Jaipur, is directed to examine the grievance of the petitioner and convey him the reasons of non-supplying the reasons for not promoting him on the aforesaid post within 4 weeks from the date such application oblique representation is submitted before it. Stop. If still grievance of the petitioner is not remedied thereby, he would approach the Rajasthan Civil Services Appellate Tribunal by way of filing appeal. Stop. Reply to the petition has been filed. Stop. It has been submitted that following the judgment of this court on 3/2/2014, the petitioner's representation was received on 28/7/2014. Stop. The petitioner was thereafter informed reasons for non-promotion on the post of Additional Transport Commissioner. Wide letter dated 4/3/2015. Stop. The letter was received by the petitioner on the same day. Stop. Having considered the matter and the fact that the respondents were only required to supply reasons for the supersession of the petitioner, which have been so supplied, wide letter dated 4/3/2015, I find no force in the contempt petition. Stop. Dismissed. Stop. Para. At this stage, counsel for the petitioner submits that the time limit for filing an appeal against the supersession of the petitioner has since expired, and therefore it be observed that the time spent by the petitioner in taking proceedings before this court be excluded from the computation of limitation relevant to the appeal in terms of section 14 of the Limitation Act. Stop. I am, however, of the view that the issue of condonation of delay in filing the appeal would be a matter of the tribunal's jurisdiction, which cannot be usurped by this court. Stop. There is, however, no reason for this court to visualize that in the event the petitioners moves an application for condonation of delay in filing the appeal, such application would be addressed sympathetically with regard to the facts of the case, including the fact that the petitioner was pursuing his remedy before this court, while, however, was not entertained by this court. Stop. Non-compliance of the order dated 27/10/2014, passed in SB Civil Writ Petition number 10649 of 2014, is alleged in this petition. Stop. Thereunder, the court had directed as under. Stop. Over.